Sa video na to, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano kunin ang first 5 terms. A sub n equals 4n minus 1. Okay, to find the first term, we substitute 1 for the first term. So a sub 1 equals 4n minus 1. And then, papalitan natin ng n or papalitan natin ng 1 yung n. So, it becomes a sub 1 equals 4 times 1 minus 1. And then, simplify, 4 times 1 is 4. Then, a sub 1 equals 4 minus 1. Then, a sub 1 equals 3. Then, our first term now is 3. And to find the second term, which is a sub 2, we substitute 2. So, we have now a sub 2 equals 4n minus 1. So, papalitan natin yung n ng 2. So, it becomes a sub 2 equals 4 times 2 minus 1. And then, simplify, 4 times 2 is 8. Therefore, we have a sub 2 equals 8 minus 1. Then, 8 minus 1 is 7. So, a sub 2 equals 7. And that is our second term. And next, to find the third term, which is a sub 3, we substitute 3. So, we have now a sub 3 equals 4n minus 1. Then, again, papalitan yung n ng 3. So, it becomes a sub 3 equals 4 times 3 minus 1. Simplify, 4 times 3 is 12. So, we have now a sub 3 equals 12 minus 1. And 12 minus 1 is 11. So, a sub 3 is 11. And that is our third term. And to find the fourth term, a sub 4, we substitute 4. So, now we have a sub 4 equals 4n minus 1. And then, it becomes a sub 4 equals 4 times 4 minus 1. Then, simplify, 4 times 4 is 16. Then, 16 minus 1 is 15. So, a sub 4 equals 15. And that is our fourth term. Okay, next, to find the fifth term, or a sub 5, we substitute 5. So, now we have a sub 5 equals 4n minus 1. So, papalitan yung n ng 5. So, a sub 5 equals 4 times 5 minus 1. Then, we multiply, 4 times 5 equals 20. Therefore, we have a sub 5 equals 20 minus 1. So, 20 minus 1 equals 19. So, our a sub 5 is 19. And that is our fifth term. Therefore, ang first 5 terms ng rule natin na a sub n equals 4n minus 1 ay 3, 7, 11, 15, 19.